Hey, gearheads! Is your check engine light on and you've scanned a P0462 error code? This specific code indicates a fuel level sensor circuit low input, which basically means the sensor in your fuel tank is not providing accurate information about fuel levels. But don't worry, today we'll walk you through the steps to fix this issue. Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0462 stands for Fuel Level Sensor a Circuit Low. The PCM stores this code when it detects an irrational input signal from the fuel level sensor fails. Inaccurate fuel gauge, erratic behavior of the fuel needle, or the car may not start due to incorrect fuel level readings. OBDI scanner, multimeter, basic hand tools, screwdriver, wrench set, fuel pump assembly replacement kit if needed, safety gloves and glasses. First things first, let's confirm that the P0462 code is accurate by scanning the vehicle's system. I'm using my OBDI scanner to pull the diagnostic codes. In many cars, the fuel level sensor is located on the fuel pump assembly, which may be accessible by removing the rear seat or accessing the tank from underneath. Inspect the wiring harness that leads to the fuel level sensor. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. These are common culprits behind this error code. Once you have access, use a multimeter to check the resistance of the sensor. Refer to your vehicle's repair manual for the correct range. If the resistance is out of range, the sensor could be faulty and you'll need to replace it. Now that we've replaced the sensor, it's time to clear the code. Plug the OBDI scanner back in and clear the trouble codes from the ECU. After that, take the car for a test drive and see if the check engine light stays off. And there you have it. That's how you diagnose and fix the P0462 error code. Whether it's a wiring issue or a faulty fuel level sensor, you now have the knowledge to tackle it yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching and happy driving!